Hey guys, one of the things that I forgot to mention on the previous video is not only is it easy to build a WordPress website using Wealthy Affiliate, but you also get a whole host of other features to help you and save you money, if I'm completely honest. So I'm going to go through them in a bit more detail. You get Site Plus, which basically gives you improved site speed, better rankings, better engagement, and a 100% better experience for your website visitors. This basically means it speeds your site up. The really important one for me though is Site SSL. Now this is where your website shows with a secure padlock. Really important for the Google rankings at the moment. And then you've got Site Protect, which is spam blocker. You also get Page Insights. So you get Google Page Speed Insights. The reason these are pretty low is because this is a site I built ages ago. It's just a test site. That's the nice thing about Wealthy Affiliates. You can have up to 50 sites. So if you're, if you get to a stage where you're good at building websites, you could be banging out a website every month if you've got someone to do the content for you, or even build websites for clients. Other features include site health, site support 24/7 when you need it, site comments, site security, and site feedback. Within the Wealthy Affiliate community, you can ask for feedback from other community members. You also get install plugins, the all-in-one SEO pack, and the www, whatever that is, image optimizer. No, actually, I'm only joking. I do use it. So the number of domains you get is 25, number of free websites 25, instant DNS setup, yes, hosting speed, Amazon C3 large, website space 30 gigabytes, bandwidth included 500,000 visitors per month per website, I would think. Data transfer unlimited, site builder included. There's loads that you get here. Guys, if you're looking to build a website and you want to save yourself some money on getting SSL certificates and all the other things that you'll need to make the site secure, then there's only really one solution. Get yourselves over to Wealthy Affiliate. You'll see the join link below. Feel free to join my website and follow me as well. Thanks for your time.